These are people that are either willfully lying to you or have no fucking clue what has happened in this country over the course of the last 50, 60 years. This person says, funny, healthcare was fairly affordable before Obama signed the Affordable Health Care Act. You can still keep your healthcare. I don't know what the last line means. Were you attempting to say something like, you can keep your doctor if you wanted to? Which was a fuck up on Obama's part. It was a lie on Obama's part, no doubt about it. But you thought healthcare was affordable before Obama? Did you have healthcare before Obamacare? Were you in the workforce? Did you have health insurance? Because health insurance was unaffordable as fuck before the ACA. Premiums went up every year. And on top of it being unaffordable as fuck, the health insurance companies could drop you. That was one of the provisions of the ACA, right? That your health insurance company couldn't say, okay, you're going through cancer treatment, you're going through radiation or chemotherapy or whatever the case may be, and you've hit $1 million worth of payouts, so we're done paying you out. Affordable Care Act stopped that. People who had pre-existing conditions that could not get health insurance, even if they were, it was a situation where they were going from one job to another, one healthcare plan to another. It's not like they were sitting around waiting until they got sick and then all of a sudden needed healthcare and then went out and got healthcare. Even people that were switching from one plan to another but had diabetes or something else that was congestive heart failure, whatever the case may be, they were being denied coverage by health insurance companies. Oh, you have a pre-existing condition? No, we're not going to cover you. The ACA fixed that. The ACA fixed being able to keep your kids on your health insurance until they turn 26. A huge benefit for parents, especially parents who have kids that are going off to college and who aren't going to, at 18, enter the workforce and get their own employer-based health care. They're going to need some form of health coverage moving forward. The ACA said you guys can keep your kids on your plan until you're 26. The ACA fixed a lot of things. But if you're under the impression that before the ACA, health insurance in this country was just affordable as fuck, you are fucking delusional. Delusional. We've been paying through the nose for health insurance, we as a society, we as a country, for years, for decades. And every year watching our premiums go up. Every year. Well before the ACA ever came into effect. I watched my health insurance premiums when I was working go up year after year after year after year. So I don't know where you're getting this shit, that health insurance was fairly affordable before the Obamacare law got instituted. That is simply not.